What is Screen Time feature on iPad? Screen Time feature helps you keep track of the hours you spend in your iOS device daily. You can also set limits for apps that take too much of your time. Now let's see how to use the Screen Time feature. Search Screen Time and open it in Settings. Here is where we can set our screen time settings. Let's first look at all the activity. Press See All Activity. Here we can see how much time we spent on any app. You can also sort by week. Now let's learn how to add downtime. Downtime is when you prefer not to use the iPad. You can customize the days and time to be selected as downtime. I made it so there's no downtime on weekends, but on weekdays you shouldn't use after 11 p.m. It will give you a reminder after 11 p.m. to stop using. Now let's learn how to use app limits. App limits allow you to limit time to a specific app. Click on Add Limit. Here, select any category and select some apps. Now select a limit for each app. There will be a reminder displayed if these apps are being used longer than your limit. You can also customize the time for each day. You can also add more limits for different apps by pressing Add Limit again. Now let's learn how to use communication limits. Communication limits allow you to limit who you can communicate with using FaceTime, phone, messages and iCloud contacts during specific times. Here you can customize who you can contact during downtime and during screen time. Now let's see how to use Always Allowed apps. This allows you to set apps that are not affected by screen time restrictions. These can be apps that are very important. To add an Always Allowed app, just press the green plus button next to it. To remove one, just press the red minus button next to the app. Now let's look at how to use content and privacy restrictions. It allows you to block inappropriate content. First, enable content and privacy restrictions. Then allow or block any feature that is inappropriate. Finally, let's see about screen time password. It is optional, and it prevents children from skipping the screen time reminder. To change or skip screen time reminders, you will need to enter the screen time password. To set a screen time password, just press the Use Screen Time Password button and enter a password to use. Thanks for watching. If you learned any new information about screen time feature on iOS, then please subscribe and like this video. If you have any doubts or problems, comment down below.